Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're addressing a situation I know many parents of children with autism have experienced: challenges with social skills and communication. Just recently, I spoke with a parent whose child had been suspended from multiple schools because of difficulties understanding social cues, managing classroom instructions, and handling peer interactions. Imagine hearing that your child is being labeled as weird, aggressive, or even disruptive because of struggles they can't control. It's disheartening and, honestly, overwhelming. Parents, have you ever wondered, does my child really have control over their actions in these situations? Do you feel overwhelmed by the constant feedback and complaints from teachers, neighbors, or even other parents? Are you stressed out because your child doesn't have a single friend or gets left out of birthday parties, playdates, and other social events? Do you feel sorry for them, but struggle to make others understand your situation? Does it leave you feeling frustrated, lonely, and, at times, helpless? If any of this resonates with you, you're not alone. Today, we'll dive into how we can build essential communication skills for children on the autism spectrum, skills that can help them understand social cues, communicate more effectively, and, over time, connect better with those around them. These practical tips are crafted for real-life scenarios, school, birthday parties, playdates, to help your child feel more confident and connected. So, let's walk this path together, and explore ways we can help our children open up, connect, and truly shine in their own unique way.
Communication is more than just words. For many children with autism, understanding nonverbal cues like facial expressions, body language, and tone of voice can be challenging. So, before jumping into conversations or social rules, let's begin with some basic cues they'll often see in their daily lives. One fun way to start is by using emotion cards. These are simple flashcards with pictures of different facial expressions: happy, sad, angry, surprised. You can show these to your child in a calm environment, like at home, and discuss each one. For example, if the card shows a happy face, ask them, "What do you think this person feels?" Over time, they'll begin associating expressions with emotions they see on real people. Tip: incorporate this into their daily routine. During story time, point out character expressions and ask them to guess how the characters feel. This can help bridge the understanding of expressions with real emotions.
Once your child is familiar with emotions, try introducing basic gestures and body language cues. For instance, when someone crosses their arms, it often shows they're not open to talking or might feel defensive. Role-playing these gestures can help make it real and memorable for them. Let's say you're role-playing a typical classroom situation at home. You can act out different scenarios, like crossing your arms when they ask a question and then explaining, "See how I crossed my arms? This sometimes means I'm not ready to listen right now." Or, when you turn your body away, explain that it's a sign of ending a conversation. Tip: use situations they're likely to encounter. Practice scenarios such as sharing toys, greeting someone, or asking for help. These help prepare them for real-life social situations by giving them a context they'll recognize.
Children with autism often respond well to visual supports. Clear instructions, reinforced with visual cues, can help them understand and remember social behaviors and communication cues. In school, teachers can use visual aids to clarify instructions. For instance, if a teacher asks the class to line up, they could have a photo or symbol of kids lining up near the instruction area. You can try this at home too. Use a small board with symbols for activities like wait, talk quietly, or look at the person's face. These visual reminders help children remember actions in specific situations. Tip: pairing visual supports with verbal cues consistently can help solidify understanding. Over time, they may start recognizing these actions without the need for visual aids.
Organizing a structured playdate can be a great way to help children practice communication in a social setting. With a few easy-to-follow steps, you can create a safe, supportive environment for your child to practice. Before the playdate, introduce a few social scenarios that might happen, like sharing toys or asking to join a game. You could even have a brief practice round at home where you role-play the actions. During the playdate, stay close to give gentle reminders or encouragement if they're unsure of what to say. For example, if another child invites them to play, you can prompt with, "Try saying, 'Yes, let's play,' or if they're feeling shy, practice saying, 'I'm happy watching.'" Tip: using positive reinforcement, like a small reward or verbal praise, each time they successfully communicate with another child can boost their confidence and willingness to keep trying.
Children with autism often prefer direct communication, so indirect instructions can sometimes be confusing. Practicing these types of requests at home can make it easier for them to understand in school or social settings. A lot of everyday language can be indirect. For example, instead of saying, "Turn off the TV," we might say, "It's time to wind down." Try practicing with phrases like, "Can you give me a hand?" or "Let's wrap it up here." Explain each one after you say it, and practice it a few times so it becomes familiar. Over time, they'll start understanding the meaning of these indirect requests.
Once your child is comfortable with basic communication, you can start working on more advanced social skills. These include recognizing subtle cues, taking turns in conversation, and understanding when it's appropriate to talk or wait. Let's use a birthday party as an example. Teach them beforehand about waiting their turn. You might say, "When we're playing a game, we let everyone have their turn. If someone is talking, we listen until they're done, then we can talk." Role-play this in a group setting at home with family members, giving everyone a chance to speak and teaching your child when to respond. Tip: if possible, practice with their peers in similar group activities. Taking turns is something they'll encounter often, so gentle reminders will help build confidence in social group settings.
Technology can be a fantastic tool for supporting communication. Apps like Proloquo2Go, TouchChat HD, or even simple picture communication boards can give children a way to communicate when words might be hard to find. Try using communication apps as a daily tool, especially in places like family gatherings or parks. You can add pictures of common activities like playing, talking, or watching. These apps are a valuable aid that can grow alongside them, helping with both verbal and non-verbal communication. Apps like Social Stories Creator or Autism apps help kids navigate social situations and understand what to expect, which is especially helpful in reducing anxiety and encouraging social interactions. Tip: consistently incorporating these tools in different settings helps make them part of your child's communication toolkit, allowing them to express themselves more comfortably.
Building communication skills takes time, patience, and a lot of encouragement. But every small step is a huge milestone. Practice daily, celebrate the little wins, and remember to be patient with both your child and yourself. With each step, you're helping them build a world of understanding, connection, and confidence.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope these techniques help make communication a little easier for you and your child. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on supporting children with autism and ADHD. Until next time, take care.